How to change country and address on Shopee. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your country and your address the right way on Shopee. So for that, just open the Shopee website on your preferred browser, and after that just go to the profile icon at the top right, and from there just go to my account. And here on this page you can see on the left hand side menu the option under my account called addresses. So just click on it, and now you have to just click on add new address from the top right, and there you have to enter your full name, your phone number, your postal code, and your current address that you are currently residing, and after that just click on to send. So this is how you can enter your current address or change the current address to any other address that you want based on the particular location that you are currently living in. So this is how you will be able to change your country and address on Shopee. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.